Hello, my Fairly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope you're having a great day so far because we're back shopping at Costco. We're going to go over items to help you keep clean and even organized for this holiday season and even for after the holiday season. If you are wanting a new vacuum cleaner, especially a cordless vacuum cleaner, I know there is a lot of options here at Costco. I'm going to point out a couple of them. This one from Shark, the new Power Detect, up to 70 minutes of runtime, and it empties itself out. Lots of great reviews with this one. And then one of my friends, she has a coworker who got one a couple of months ago, like when it first came out, and she is loving it. So I always like hearing that positive feedback, but I also like to hear the truth too, especially when it comes to products like this. You're investing your money to it. So it's a $90 savings, $350, and that's going to go on until the 16th. Now the Shark Navigator, the Lift Away, this is another one. There's a couple different ones out. Here at Costco, this one has the brush where it has the no bristles, so hair and stuff is not going to get caught up in it. Now, it has a 5-year limited warranty, and it's a good basic vacuum cleaner. You do have to plug it in, and I have an older one I've had for over 10 years now. It still works great. $50 savings, $150. Now, that's going to go on until the 16th as well. I shared this with our new arrivals from Mrs. Myers. This is the cleaning spray. It's a limited edition scents. The mint and the rose, I have an idea what those will smell like, but the snowdrop, I have no idea. I tried to smell it on the little scratch and sniff on top, but I really just could not tell you what it smelled like. $16.60 for all three. Now, when it comes to cleaning your clothes, there's so many options here at Costco. We have the Liquid Tide. Now, this is just the basic original 152 loads, and this one's on sale. When it comes to laundry detergent here at Costco, wait for them to go on sale. $20 until the 16th. If you need a new wash machine or a dryer, double check at your local Costco. From time to time, they will have them available, like you can take it home that day. You can also double check at Costco.com, and with the website, a lot of times it'll include delivery, setup, and even haul away of your previous appliance. But yeah, definitely double check these out. Now this is from Maytag. It's the top loader. It's a $50 savings. It's going to go on until the 19th, but $400 is not a bad price. And they do have the dryer to go with it. Now it is a gas dryer. I'm going to open it up. You can see how big it is on the inside. You could get a good size comforter in there if you need to. It's just getting it closed. I have to give it a good push. And this kind of looks like my old one. It wasn't as fancy, but like the lint right there. This is also on sale, $50 savings. So this is going to go on until the 19th. And this one is $450. Oh, it has a wrinkle control. That's interesting. Now from Roborock, if you are wanting like the little vacuum cleaner, now this one not only vacuums, it also mops your floor as well. It'll help you out. And I kind of like how they show the picture. You can see like the clean water, the dirty water. And it also dries itself. That is a huge plus. This definitely has a bit of a price to it, $580. Now, this is the latest from Shark here at Costco, the Power Detect. So, Never Touch Pro. It's a 2-in-1, so it vacuums, mops, empties itself, it fills itself, and it cleans itself. Wow. Okay, that is actually a really nice plus. They just discontinued another one that they had. It was a 2-in-1. So this is the latest here at Costco. It definitely has a higher price, especially compared to the previous version that was here in the store. So the previous one was about $400. This one is $600. Now, another one that I really like, I'm kind of waiting for this to go on sale, is the Cordless Shark Stain Force. It includes the cleaning solution. It has, you can see like the carrying case, but it's super, super lightweight. And this is great. clean stains like in your car, especially like on the car floor or on furniture, rugs, like spot clean. It's $170, so I'm hoping that goes on sale soon. One of my favorites is the Tenco iFloor 3. This helps me out so much. And it's very easy to use. That's why I like it. It's very user friendly. You have your solution and then you just dump out all the dirty stuff from your floor. It also self cleans. And so I do like this one. It goes on sale from time to time. Right now it's $280. That's the regular price. This is of course the classic from Bissell, the little green multi-clean machine. And they have made it lighter, so it's easy to carry around, but you do have to plug it in. Now, from cleaning and everything, if you get a little sore, and that's happened, here you go. Check this out. From sharper image to power percussion, take care of your muscles. This has a hot and cold reach, and you can see everything right here. So this is one of the latest here at Costco. It's on sale. So 6 speeds, super quiet as well. But I really like that hot and cold. $30 savings, so $100 until the 16th. And if you need a cup of coffee, kind of boost up your energy a little bit, especially this is what I always need. This drip coffee maker from Chefman is actually on sale right now. And there's lots of pluses. That blooming cycle. Now, I have a Ninja coffee maker, but I have that blooming cycle. It definitely really improves the taste of coffee. Say $12 savings, so $48. That's going to go on until December 1st. So if you need a new coffee maker, definitely check that out. And then storage, if you're wanting to organize maybe your baking supplies, maybe some pastas. From Anchor Hawking, this is the latest here. The canisters, they are glass. They are a good size. It's a set of 3. Now, I'm not sure if this is at every store, but they are on sale. $6 savings, $22. That's going to go on until the 13th. From Hefty, this is the 12-piece, the shrink pack. And I'm actually going to pick this up today because I need some more. And, there's different brands out there, but I really want to try this one. It includes the pump, and you're getting the bags you see right here. I like the travel one. And this is great, especially for reducing bulk. We know comforters, pillows, sweaters, they can take up a lot of space. So if you're limited on space, this is definitely one to check out. There's multiple ways to compress it. You could use your hands or the pump included or a vacuum cleaner. It's $20 for the set. So let's take this home. Let's try it out. So I have some things I need to put away. I'll be honest with you, I do not fold blankets very well. But trying to get this box open is very tough. That box is glued shut. And I'm trying to peel it back, but it's not working. Pepper is trying to help me out as well. And she was telling me, don't worry about the box, but let's pet me. She knows where to take an opportunity, but I need to get this open. So I got a box cutter, and very easy. Just be very careful. But yeah, that definitely was a lot faster. Now we have the pump right here on top, and it really just depends on, what you're placing inside. Like I have Halloween pillows I'm trying to put away. So I have these 3. And the ones with the bats, that was sold at Costco, I think last year or the year before. Now, when you get everything in, you want to really squeeze on this and just make sure it's sealed. You kind of have to go back and forth, and then right there is where you take the pump. However, this pump is useless. I could not get it to work. It would have taken me like 2 hours, so I just grabbed my vacuum and right here just attached it, and less than a minute it was all suctioned out. You can see all the air is out. And so again, easy storage. I'm just going to place that right in our guest room closet. So I have a few more items I need to use this for, but yeah, I actually really do like it. Now, if you are having guests this holiday season and maybe you just need a little extra space for seating, for storage, definitely check this out. First of all, it holds up to 500 pounds. That is a strong trunk. Now, depending on your store, there's actually two options, but this lid, you could tell it's good quality. Like, it's pretty heavy. And then here, now the best part is when it's not in use, you could fold it down and store it away. I like that. So multiple uses. When you need it, it's there for you. When you don't, you can store it away. So I like that, especially maybe have like a temporary bed, during the day, everyone's sitting around, and then at night you need to put it together. Now it's a $7 savings, so $28 is going to go on to the 9th, so those are back on sale. Now for cleaning, if you are needing towels, especially if you don't want to use paper towels, you just want to kind of use them over and over, 100% cotton, a pack of 52 for $20. So many multiple uses. If you prefer the microfiber towels, these are always super popular. On sale or off sale, it's still pretty popular one way or the other. It's $18 for a pack of 36 too. And another multi-use is the Scrub Daddy. Now, we had the Scrub Mommy here at Costco. That was half foam, half scrub. The Scrub Daddy is full scrub. A box of 8 for $16. So many multiple uses. Now, the Scotch Brite, the Zero Scratch, these are individually packed. There's 24 altogether. These are actually on sale right now. Great for dishes, but even like counter spots because it's zero scratch. I always like to use those as well. $11, that's going to go on until the 16th. If you're wanting just some disinfecting wipes from Clorox. And then Costco also will carry from time to time the Lysol, but I couldn't find the Lysol wipes today. But we have the Clorox 5 containers. Yeah, $17.80 is a good price. Now from Gain, our laundry detergent, up to 159 loads. This has the OxiClean in it. On sale for $16 until the 16th. Now this is another good one, even at regular price, the Arm & Hammer plus OxiClean, up to 200 loads. So it really depends on how much you use, how big your load is. $14.90. If you're needing napkins, we have a good selection. This is the Kirkland napkins. Yeah, casual dining. Yeah, 1,120. And there's a lot here. Now this is regular price. I've never seen these go on sale, but $12. Now the Vanity Fair I will see go on sale from time to time. Now this one, the Entertain, is only here during the holiday season. So this is a returning item. And in each pack there's 60 napkins. And these are actually pretty good. And then these are the regular price right now, $11.50. And then we also have the everyday napkins from Vanity Fair, $660. So the Entertain, I think, is the thickest, and this is a 2-ply, so $12. And to keep your air fryers clean, the air fryer liners, these are actually pretty decent. They're unbleached, the parchment paper. And so that kind of helps easy clean up. $150 for $10. And to treat yourself after cleaning and organizing. Yeah, the pure Epsom salt, if you want to soak in it, that really just relaxes. And you're getting 12 pounds for $9. And that's one I use because there's no scent, which I prefer. And of course, keeping your skin clean. The cleansing oils have been super popular. This is actually a returning item. So from Centella, $30. And the Magic Bar Soap Peppermint. This is the all-in-one, the Pure Castile. Multiple uses for the soap, and the peppermint smells so good. I really do like the smell of it. So body and face, $20 for 6 bars. And it gets a little pricey in other stores. And now from Neutrogena, this is a body wash. And this is actually a new scent. So from time to time, sometimes they will change the scents. But I know this body wash is super popular. It goes on sale from time to time. And right now it is a regular price of $20 for 40 ounces. Now this is a new item from Aveeno. This is the Skin Relief Body Wash. So I may have to try this one out because it helps relieve like dry, itchy skin. $16 for three 18-ounce bottles, and they have the pump on top. This is one that I really like. I use this all year round, and to keep my face clean, the hydrating gel cleanser on sale for $16 until the 16th. Now, one of our favorite products, and my husband really likes these. First of all, they're easy to get home because they're lightweight, but they are super strong. The utility rack, you put it together, it takes less than 5 minutes. And the best part, if you have more than one like we do, you can see right here on the side. Now, clips are included, and you could clip them together. So, it just really stays up well. And each shelf, like the whole thing, holds up to 750 pounds. And so, again, it's very strong, and we really like them. And if you take everything off, you could easily move them and set them up. I know there's some really heavy industrial shelving, but we really do like these. Yeah, 150 pounds per shelf. That's a lot of weight. $31. I know they've gone up a few dollars in price. They're still great. We really just like how convenient and easy to set up. Really helps us keep our garage organized. Now, the rolling cart, right now I have like a bunch of different tools on our cart. I actually use this for multiple things. So right now it's being used for different tools, but I can clean that off and then I can use it for, whatever else I need. But I love how long it is. It is pretty easy to put together. It took me like less than 20 minutes. And sometimes the hardest part is just getting the box open. It's right now regular price of $40. You can see the star. They are going to start to move these out. But if you are needing an extra wide rolling cart, maybe like a gift wrapping station, yeah, definitely check this one out. Again, multiple uses. And another great helper is the carry-all tote. It's a pack of 2. You can get it in black or in the teal green. And I love these because they fold away flat when you're not using, but they just pop right up. They are very strong. So I have one in my car whenever I shop at Costco. I don't ever get a box because I have one of these. And then also like at home, if you're moving around blankets, toys, anything you really need help carrying around, $25 laundry, it comes in so handy. Now, if you are needing a cordless spin scrubber, this actually works pretty good. And the charge, at least for me, it lasts a long time. I like it because there's multiple scrubbing pads. It's $50. Now, if you need a little one, especially for smaller spaces, this is actually great. I have one very similar, but I like this one because no batteries, you just charge it up. And these small ones are great, especially like for your kitchen sink, around like the garbage disposal, the small spots where you really need to get into like the grooves. These come in so handy. The pointed brush, that one I use quite often, especially these smaller ones. But these always come in so handy. And this one is actually a decent price of $20. And these cordless scrubbers, they really do kind of help cut cleaning time in half. And another great item to have on hand is a cordless screwdriver. And this is from Fantic. This is a good one. First, the charge lasts a long period of time. You're getting 20 of the steel bits, and those come in so handy. Plus, you can move the top, so if there's an awkward angle, you could get to it. And it's amazing how often I use this, especially like little items like around the house. And I love this. It's $50, but again, it's very helpful. But you see the star, they are going to start to move it out. So definitely check it out. Well, everyone, thank you so much for coming along to Costco with me today. Thank you again so much for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.